what's up? I found this platform and I created that video here, so I wanted to share with you this MakeSong.com. First, when I saw this platform, I thought it was gonna just make the animate the videos and the music, but as you saw, they have the Seedance, which is the best AI model right now for the videos, and I gave it the ChatGPT Imagine version 2 gives us the sketches like this, like the comics, and I wanted to recreate the Minato versus Thousand Shinobi. So I created the sketch and gave it to the students, and it gave me the pretty cool videos like you guys can see here. The movement is solid, it is good, and I want you guys to test with this, generate this one, the sketch with the ChatGPT version 2 image, and go for the Seedance 2.0. MakeSong.com has like a lot of features, and I'm gonna show you like some other cool features what they have. I generated the one song here and I gave it a try. This is so fun. I uploaded this video as well about the Rock Lee. And also I generated this. This website is so much fun. It's so cool. You can generate your musics, and then with that musics, you can generate the clips actually. So, and you can do like AI cinematic trailers with the Seedance. You can even create your own anime. As the anime fan, like I always dream to make my own anime. I'm working on something huge right now. I'm working to make my own comic, and then animate it with the help of the Seedance. And I'm testing all the platforms around, and I am so glad I found that Make Song because I will use it to make the cover musics as well before the series starts. So you guys should also check it because they have too much features. They have like AI dances, like you can put anyone's image here and make like the dancing moves, and you can actually create your own social media model as well. But for me personally, it's the Seedance and the AI music video which does all the difference. But AI singing videos are people are doing this one as well and getting millions of views in the YouTube. So you can basically do whatever you want here. But for me, Seedance was the game changer here. I don't know, guys. I'll see you in the next video. I really want you to check this out, check this platform because like it worked so well for me. And let's see what futures brings us. Like AI is evolving right now so fast, and I am trying to catch up and give you all the information I get. So I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace out. There was the quick video, and thank you so much for your support. Bye.